And we are going into the smoker. Checking temperatures. And our ribs should be done. 4 slabs of ribs. Magnificent smoke coating. And what kind of wood chips are we using on these?
Apple, hickory, and oak.
Apple, hickory, and oak. And what makes them the red color?
Smoke.
The smoke. Apple, hickory, and
Oak.
oak. Beautiful, juicy.
You gotta cover these and let them rest.
Okay. And we're just covering these with aluminum foil. And how long do they have to rest?
20 minutes or so, half hour.
And how long did we cook them? At what temperature?
They cooked at 240 for 6.5 hours.
240 for 6.5 hours. And what kind of ribs are these?
St. Louis style pork ribs.
St. Louis style pork ribs. Absolutely beautiful. And our rub, what did we put on these? How did we prepare them?
The rub is a pork rub from Stripling's in South Georgia.
Stripling's pork rub. And is this the pecan rub or just
No, this is a straight up pork rub.
pork rub? And it's a dry rub. Dry?
Dry rub.
All right. Wrapping it up. Gonna set for 20 to 30 minutes and we can dig in. Sweet. Butterflied whole chicken. Smoked chicken. Oh my goodness, look at that. That is gorgeous. Butterflied chicken. Butterflied chicken coming out of the smoker. Butterflied chicken. Smoked chicken.